According to the AAA, Americans spend an average of 17,600 minutes in their cars each year, which is just over 293 hours, or just over 12 days. That's a lot of time spent listening to audiobooks, drinking Vont macchiatos, eating fast food, putting on makeup and cologne, and doing a lot of other activities in a hurry. There are a lot of opportunities to stain your upholstery, get nasty smells trapped in your carpets, or scatter crumbs all over your car's interior. Fortunately, there are a lot of car gadgets designed to make those days spent in your vehicle a little easier, including auto accessories that protect your interior and simplify car maintenance. Here are 5 aftermarket car accessories that will help limit interior maintenance. Number 1. Console Gap Filler. You know that space between your driver's seat and the console where your gearboxes or your cup holders are. You probably lose a lot of things down there, like French fries that fall out of the bag, change, your cell phone, and even your car keys. It's a pain to squeeze your fingers down there to retrieve the keys, and it's hard for a vacuum to get down there to get food crumbs and errant fries. You end up with a wasteland of old food and dirt. A console gap filler blocks that area and keeps your carpets and upholstery clean. It also helps make you a safer driver since you don't have to worry about reaching awkwardly for something you dropped. Number 2. Cargo and bed liners. An unprotected truck bed or hatchback trunk can look like the bottom of a trash can after a while. But the problem is not just cosmetic. A metal truck bed can start to rust and can develop holes, which can require expensive repairs. You can protect your truck with a cargo or bed liner made of different materials, including hard plastics and durable rubbers. The bed liners are easy to clean, and they protect the bed and the paint from damage. Number 3. Waterproof seat covers. Car seat upholstery can take a real beating from all kinds of spills. You might come to a stop too quickly and spill your coffee on yourself and your seat. And then there are those situations where you place your drink between your legs only to have the flimsy cup crumple, spilling your drink out onto the seat. If you have kids, forget about it. Your seats are a battlefield that will never recover. It goes without saying then that investing in durable and waterproof seat covers can protect your upholstery and save you a lot of money on cleaning. Neoprene seat covers are especially popular since they are most waterproof, are affordable, and come in a variety of colors and patterns. You can also invest in heavy-duty options for work trucks or leather seat covers for luxury vehicles. Number 4. All-weather floor mats. No matter how careful you are about wiping your feet before getting into your car, you are dragging in dirt and all kinds of other debris. When it rains or snows, you will inevitably be pulling in a lot of water also, which will mix with the pre-existing dirt to muddy your carpet. Over time, continued abuse can break down the fibers and create holes in the floor's carpet, so what you need are all-weather floor mats. These durable and versatile floor mats will protect your carpets from stains, odors, and even damage. They come in different styles such as animal print, camouflage, athletic teams, and more, so there is sure to be a set that suits your unique style. Number 5. Classic sunshade. Putting up a sunshade is about more than keeping your seats and steering wheel from becoming lava hot during the summer. A car sun visor will block UV rays that can fade and dry out the dashboard, potentially causing it to peel and even crack. You'll spend a lot less on Armor All, and you won't have to pay big money for repairs down the line. Plus, you'll be able to drive your car without putting on gloves and a hazmat suit when the summer has hit triple-digit temperatures. These 5 aftermarket auto accessories can help protect the investment you have in your vehicle, while also making it a cleaner, nicer smelling, and more pleasant environment when behind the wheel. They will reduce your car maintenance costs, especially those pertaining to vacuuming and cleaning. When you are looking at popular car accessories like Bluetooth or charging your phone, make sure to also consider these practical accessories. Seat Covers Unlimited sells a wide range of car accessories, including custom seat covers in hundreds of different colors and patterns. Order custom seat covers to fit your 1950s classic car or opt for universal seat covers that fit just about any make or model. Make sure to browse their online gallery and custom options to see what car accessories are available.